Hey everyone, you are welcome to class. Last class we discussed endoparasites. They are parasites that lives inside their host, and we have examples as tapeworm, roundworm, and liver fluke. And so today we want to continue from where we stopped. We are going to look at ectoparasites. They are parasites that lives on the body of their host. Example, we have the tick, we have the lice, and then we have the mites and the flea. Today, we are going to look at the ticks and the lice specifically. And the picture you are looking at here is an example of a tick. Now, we have two types of tick. We have the cattle tick and the fowl tick. Now, the tick is majorly the ectoparasites of cattle, sheep, and goats. Now, the body of the tick is divided into two. We have the head region, and then we have the abdomen. Okay, and then we have what is called the toothed epicycle. Here, four-toothed epicycle, if you can see it, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is just a piercing organ for the tick to suck the blood from the host. And so, we are going to look at the life cycle of a tick. Now, the life cycle of a tick is divided into 4 stages. Now we have the egg, the larva, the nymph, and then the adult stage. Now quickly we are going to look at each stage one after the other. Now the egg stage, here the female tick, after sucking blood from its host, will drop down, lay the eggs under the grass, and then she will die. Now, the egg will continue and it will hatch into the larva stage with 6 legs. And so, the larva stage has 6 legs, and then the larva will crawl into the grass and attach itself to the skin of another animal passing by. Now, one interesting thing about the life cycle of tick is that each stage occurs in a different or separate host. Now, so the larva stage can actually attach itself to either a cattle, a sheep, or a goat. And so, after the larva stage will feed on the host, feed on the blood of the host, and then it will fall to the ground. And then the larva will also mount into the next stage called the nymph stage. Here, the tick is going to have 8 legs. You remember the larva stage, it has what? 6 legs. And from the nymph stage, it's going to have 8 legs. And then it will crawl and attach itself to the second host, another host, which can either be cattle, sheep, or goat from anywhere. And then it will feed on the host and later drop to the ground. And then from there, it will now mount, into an adult tick, which will now crawl and attach itself on the third host. It will be on the grass. So when the animal comes for grazing, it will attach itself to them, whether cattle, sheep, or goat. Now, if the adult tick is a female, it will insert its mouth part into the skin of the host and suck blood. Okay? But if it is a male tick, now the male tick will begin to move around the body of the animal in search of the female tick to mate with her. And then the moment the moment the mating takes place, the male tick will crawl down and die. And then the female will suck enough blood after the mating, will suck enough blood from the host, and then it will crawl down to the ground, lay the eggs, and then she will die. And then the life cycle will continue like that, from egg to larva, from larva to nymph, and then to adult. Now, I want you to take note of the following, that the egg stage, it has how many legs? 6 legs. Okay? And then the moment the female tick lays the egg, she's going to die. Now, The nymph stage has how many legs? 8 legs. Okay, and then the adult, one thing you need to note there is that the female will continue to suck the egg and the male will continue to look for the female to mate with, and after mating it will crawl down and die, and then the female, after laying her eggs too, after sucking enough blood, will crawl down and lay the eggs and die. Now all these are, the stages or the life cycle of thick. Thank you.